Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got something very different to share with you, and it's a Secret Santa, and I'm going to be unboxing it tonight, and also I'm going to upload another one tomorrow as well. So if you didn't already know, I'm really good friends with Michelle, who is Likeliness, and Lucy, who is What Luce Does. I was going to say her previous name then. She's recently changed her name. We've been friends now for about 3 years, and we're really good friends. We chat all the time. We are very similar. We're very different, but we are very similar. We all get each other. It's just a really nice friendship, and we actually met up for the first time, all three of us together, last Christmas, and yeah, we had an amazing time. So we did a Secret Santa then as well, and we did like live videos. I have got one hidden on my channel somewhere. It's about 40 minutes long. We'd had a few to drink, and the quality of my camera is not that great, so yeah, I haven't promoted it that well, but if you're interested in seeing what we got up to, then I'll let you do the searching. So we decided to do another one this year. So the rules was £20, and then postage then is a separate thing on top. So I managed to get the best discounts ever. I am super chuffed with what I've given them. I hope they love them. I really hope they love them. Actually, one of the items I bought for Lucy, I had to get in touch with her partner to see whether she already had it and whether she would like it, but unfortunately he said no, and you know, she would like it and everything. So if you're curious in seeing what Secret Santa I gave to both Michelle and to Lucy, I'll pop their channels down below in description. So underneath the video, see show more, you click that, and all details and everything will be down there. So let's get on to opening up what Michelle sent me. I'm so excited. So she's got two separate parcels here. There's one there and there's another one here, and it's all individually wrapped. There's a little note in there as well, and it just says, "To Claire, Merry Christmas. I hope you like your Christmas gift. I didn't have the best box to send it in, so I wrapped a shoebox." I sent a shoebox to Michelle as well, so it's completely fine. I hope you enjoy opening everything. Enjoy your Christmas, and here's to a very happy 2020. Love to all, Michelle. Oh, thank you, Michelle. So I'll open the big one first. Shouldn't be doing this before Christmas, but it's only these two. I'm not opening any other presents up. I don't know how to open it. Where's the opening? Where's the opening? Oh, I got a mug. Oh wow, oh wow, microwave mud cake. My daughter makes these all the time. It's actually got a recipe here, which is really handy. And yeah, no, it is simple. It's flour, sugar, cocoa powder, egg, milk, oil, and chocolate chips. Super easy, but just really nice. So no, I love that. I absolutely love that. Recipe always on tap. Thank you. Next, got a triangle type parcel. Oh, Body Shop treats, sheer treats, and it's nutty goodness of handcrafted community trade sheer butter from Ghana. And I'll just show you what it looks like there. I can see a body butter, and there's something else there. Oh, I love the Body Shop stuff. Love it. I don't live near a Body Shop, unfortunately. Or fortunately, actually, because I've probably been there all the time. Oh, I just love it. I love all the fruity smells and things. And their hand creams. They do one of the best hand creams I've tried. Woo! Should put everything. So what we got here? Got a shower cream. And then we've got, it's the body butter. Oh, that's lovely. Let me have a little sniff. I just want to put my finger in that and give it a swirl around. Look. I know it'll get all in my nails. Oh, that is lovely. Oh, it's like a balm. It's like a balm. I think it's gone a bit hard because of being cold, I suppose. Oh, that's so nice. I love them. Absolutely love them. So thank you. And she's written "To Claire, Merry Christmas, love Michelle" on all of them. Oh, winter. Oh, it's a candle. Is it a candle? A woody walk through. I've got cream all in my nails there. A woody walk through ferns, pine and snow. Oh my gosh, yeah, it is a candle, isn't it? What gorgeous packaging. That is so pretty. It smells of pine. Smells of pine. It does smell like forests. Oh, that is gorgeous. What is it again? Ferns, pine and snow, yeah. So there's that. Next one. Happy holiday or holidays. Snowballs, Bath Fizzer Trio. Oh, so cute. Look at them, they're a snowman. There's 4 in there, is it? There's 3 in there, so 3 bar fizzers. That's really cute. Really cute. Thank you. Just spotted that. I got a candy cane as well. I like that. Still a few more to go. We've got something by Wilco. What's this? It's a ballpoint pen. It's a ballpoint pen, and it's a silver one. And maybe you might not be able to see it. so come in handy. Oh, you can still see the cream stuck in my nail there. Oh, ridiculous. I'm going to keep this in here and use it for my subscription box notes. So here's that. I don't know how to open it. It's sort of see-through wrapping paper. Ah, hold on. Some scissors. Way! Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That's really pretty. What have I got here? Ooh, it's an Urban Decay and it's an eyeshadow primer potion. Is that right? Primer potion. I can't spell. I can't read properly. So yeah, it's an Urban Decay primer. Oh wow, thank you, Michelle. Wow. That is gorgeous. Really lovely. There, you can see there. Thank you. And then last item, we've got... My floor is just covered. Oh! This is brilliant. But irony is when someone writes, "You're an idiot." Yeah, thank you. That is so cool. So cool. So that goes with the pen then. So that will be like my new notepad for 2020. So I write all my notes and everything, which I stick in front here, which you never get to see because it's just below the camera. So those are all. I'm talking as if it's a proper unboxing. It's not, it's a present. It's a present. Those are all the prizes. It's not even prizes. I haven't won anything. Those are all my presents. I'm just going to gather them all up and show you. Here they are. I've got a Body Shop set that you can't really know what they are, but there's that. I got a microwave mud cake cup. I've got a pine smelling gorgeous candle. I got an Urban Decay eye primer. I got some bar fizzes. And then I got a pen and I got a notebook as well. And then lastly, I got a candy cane. So thank you so much, Michelle. Really lovely presents. I want to say prizes. Oh, what is wrong with me? I've been doing YouTube for too long. I'm going to light the candle tonight and see what that is like, but it smells absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, just really lovely. A bit of everything. Stationery, beauty, candles, notepads, yeah, everything, cups, everything. A bit of everything. So yeah, I'm really grateful. So thank you. And I hope you enjoyed watching. Not just you, Michelle, but I hope everyone else enjoys watching as well. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. And I'll be showing you what Lucy bought me in the next video. Take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.